Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be changing my exhaust chips. Simple, very simple fix. So these are the new exhaust chips. Very cheap as well. Well, it's not too bad. They literally slide on.
This is the end of it, so
nice,
this goes in.
Yeah, that side goes in.
Thingy.
It has to go upwards like that. It goes in like that. That's quite heavy. Yeah, that's quite heavy. So it slides in and it's just a simple fit. You do one more. Make sure straight is straight. Yeah. Doesn't fit in if it's not straight. No. This way.
This has to be the top of it.
Yeah, top side. Yeah. Put it straight up. There you go.
You try.
Fucking hell. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to install this now. So that's the top in it. You hold it. Hold the top of this thing. That's the top of it.
Push it really hard.
No, touching.
It's meant to because there's connectors inside.
So it pushes in the connectors, yeah?
Yeah, so push.
Okay.
Push, keep going. There, look.
Oh, fucking hell. No, it looks too far out.
Was it recording all that time?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
Alright guys, because it's old, it's finally in now. Because it was old, you have to push it in further on, they go, as you can see. That's how they look now. They look pretty nice. Show you what they look like on the side. Before it was just a black thing. Now you can see them very nicely. They're the new exhaust tips. They look very nice. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more upgrades on cars and stuff. Check out my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.